everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. The main attraction of any salwar kurti set is its dupatta. So today in this video I am showing you that how you can convert your plain kurti into a designer outfit by just adding or pairing it with a contrast color stylish dupatta. So continue watching to know some decent yet trendy churidar set.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.